Welcome to Profited Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today I'm gonna talk about these IoT devices such as ESP32, Micropython ESP32. Okay, so this ESP32 or say IoT, that is Internet of Thing, I'm gonna utilize for trading and analysis purpose. Okay, so here I am straight away to the demo part. So where I'm just printing this BTC USD price. Okay, so every minute it is giving me the price. Okay, it is giving me the update. Okay, so you can do the same. You can take the update, can analyze, and even this is kind of Telegram which I receive as a notifications as a message. Okay, so it will be great to utilize. Now say suppose if you go with any kind of a code, you need to utilize AWS and you have to pay some monthly bill to get all this stuff. But if you able to utilize these IoT devices such as an ESP32 and connect it to your internet, okay, which is 24 hours available, okay, because of this. So as you can see, some messages have been appeared and I'm able to see as of right now in live. Okay, I'm able to observe. So this is in trade.profit.web.com. So I need to create bot and messages. Okay, so I just give you some of the prerequisite. So first of all, you just visit youtube.com/ at profit@web slash videos. Okay, and you can search here whether it can be ESP32 or say Telegram. Okay, so video is there back 6 years ago. I have done this video. How you can access this Micropython IoT. Okay, so a quick installation guide and basics are there which you can follow from this video, and it is a great learning. So if you just go and if you try to visit this URL and especially go with the profit@web.com. So I have explanations how you can do some of the installations and how you can proceed with other stuff. Okay, so even presentation is available in my website, so you can check it out. So in this particular thing, what happens, you required some of the stuffs. Okay, some of the MicroPython installation which need to be carry. Okay, and even some of the basic stuff as of connecting your devices, your USB devices, then following this LED, uh, this in and out, I mean pin. Say if it is get on, if you just just pin up, and I have just shown how you can go with the putty configurations as we usually go with the connecting our VPS. So it is the same, you have to connect with your USB driver, and USB32 contains Wi-Fi, same as goes with the Pico as well, and it contains some of smaller memory as well. Okay, so it won't be much storage, but you can still utilize. So you can see it is connected to the putty, but in this I've done the connections and I have permanently uploaded the firmware. So that is the reason I'm unable to get these messages. So you need to do the same. So as of right now, here what I'm showing you the 6 years ago part. Okay, and now it is playing an important role, especially in your trading analysis. If say suppose the market, Bitcoin market is 24 hours, so you have to be inactive. Now what happens, these devices whenever gets have to deliver a message, then it gets in blue, and when it get delivered, it come out, then it gets into red. Okay, so in sleep time it will get in red, and then if you have to deliver the message, it get in blue. Okay, so that's what it usually do, and it follows properly red and blue, and that is how we get the messages deliver. Okay, so from this basic programming, from especially in Python, which is same as this MicroPython itself, which you can utilize. So it will be the coding, so you don't have to learn any kind of extra language Okay, the Arduino requires C and C++ kind of a stuff, but in this MicroPython will be enough. Okay, so that is how you choose. Even you can go with the ESP32, you can go with your Linux as well, that is Raspberry Pi, and you can utilize. So I'll just show you the programming. I have not connected the ESP32 because I already told you that these devices have already uploaded the firmware, so it is connected to my Wi-Fi, and it is giving me this kind of a messages. So if you want to deliver any kind of a program, you can put it here. So this is Tony ideally. So what happens if you just put anything and you just configure your token and chat ID and just call the bot. So you have to call this you request model. So instead of request, it will be you request, and you request comes with the CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, delete, and even the HTTP method. Okay, as it goes with the kind of REST API. Okay, representational state transfer. So all of the things are available and able to deliver. Okay, so these are the things are required. So as of right now, I just want to say that we need to be on the same page. So that's the reason I'm doing this video. So check this out, and be available with your ESP32 device. If you not took this ESP32 device, I just added as a link as a product, which you can check on this particular video, and any of the channel which you go there, definitely ESP32 and Pico will be there. So any of the things which you can choose, it will be when I bought it was around 300 200 rupees, and when you try to get it might cost 600 900 rupees. Okay, still it is cheap, better than your AWS and better than any of the devices. Okay, so it will be great in analysis and it will be great in trading. Especially you can create a 24 hours trading bot. Okay, so this is an introduction part, so just check it out, and I'm gonna do it upcoming videos. So please do like, share and subscribe, and give some good like and comments, so I can come up with this kind of videos. Okay, and can save up your money. So we'll definitely gonna include the API. So API part have been included. I'm able to deliver the message with the help of API itself. Okay, mostly with the help of your request. So that is you also can do, and can take up this kind of a thing. Okay, and it will be great. So stay subscribed. Thanks for watching.